A lot of content creators have abandoned their content creation journey because Grok AI is no longer free. It is no longer news that Grok AI has no longer been free for over a month now, and this has been difficult for especially small creators to be able to keep up with their content creation journey. And in this video, I'll be introducing you to an app that can enable you to use Grok AI for free. You don't need to pay anything, but you can use the Grok feature for free. So I'll encourage you to stay on this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever I post more videos like this. Kindly give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other people and it helps us create more amazing content like this. Kindly share this video with somebody because they might need this video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now, you all know that when it comes to creating videos with Grok, especially when you are creating stories, you need to have, first of all, your story, and then you need to generate images for that story, right? And we are going to be doing all of that before we are going to be unveiling that app. Remember, that app allows you to use Grok for free. That means you're not going to pay anything while using that app. So firstly, we want to head on to ChatGPT, right? You have to install ChatGPT on your phone. So we're going to head on to ChatGPT and we are going to generate a story. So what I normally like doing on ChatGPT, I normally like using the mic icon because I don't like typing. So I'll click on the mic icon and I will tell ChatGPT, I'll give it a background to my story and it's going to create that story for me. So I'll click on the mic. So I have given ChatGPT a background about the story I will want to create. So you can see what I just said now. ChatGPT has captured it and it is generating my story for me. You can see the title of the story, from dust to gold, and all of that. So you can see the story is putting everything together. You can see that ChatGPT is putting everything together. So it's generating this story, right? So once ChatGPT is done generating this story, is going to generate image prompts for generating the scenes in this story, right? So it's going to generate image prompt for generating scenes for this story. So what you want to do is to copy the whole of this story and take it to your notepad and save it there. Copy the whole of this story, take it to your notepad and save it there. So that is what you want to do. So if you have done that, you will want to now generate the images for this story. But first, let me show you the app we are going to be using for this. So you're going to head on to Play Store and you're going to search for this app. And the name of this app is Gen V. That is the name of the app. So you can see it there, Gen V, right? And you're clicking on this first one there. So once you click on that search, you're going to click on the search button here and it's going to search. So you can see that for me, it is telling me that the app has been installed already and it's asking me to open the app. So, but for you, if you don't have the app on your phone, it will ask you to install the app, right? So you just click on install and download the app to your phone. If you're an iOS user, you can head on to iOS store to download, while Android user, you use the Play Store. So once you have the app on your phone right here, you're going to click on open and the app is going to load. You can see the icon, so take note of the icon so that you don't download the wrong version of this app. So we're going to wait for this app to download. We'll wait for this app to download. It has downloaded and it has opened successfully. So you can see the options that you have on this app. You can see that you can create video, you can also generate images, right? Now, we don't want to exhaust the free units that we have on this app, so we're going to be using a different app to generate our images. There are a lot of free apps for generating images, right? So we're going to head on to our browser. So let's head on to our browser and we're going to search for Wix. I love using Wix AI for generating my images because it does a pretty amazing job. Wix AI is free and it does a really amazing job in generating images. So if you are a story creator, if you're a content creator that creates story, leverage on Wix AI to create your images. It's totally free. So I'll search for it again, Wix AI, Wix AI. I'll search for it and I'll wait for it to load. And you can see, you can click on this link and we're going to wait for it to load. So while it's loading, we'll head on back to ChatGPT and we are going to copy one of the image prompts. So we'll copy this first one that says a young African boy sitting alone in a small rural village. So we'll copy this and we are going to go back. Hopefully our Wix AI is done loading. It is yet to load. Probably maybe my network is not so good, but we are going to wait for it to load. So I'm going to select one of my accounts and I'll wait for it to load so that I can be able to use the Wix AI. All right, so we are going to click on the search button below and we are going to be pasting our prompt just there. So we are going to paste our prompt on Wix AI and we'll click on the search button and we're going to wait for it to generate our images for us. So our images are generating at about 70% now. So you can see that Wix is done generating our image for us. We're going to click on it and we're going to click on download and you can see that it has downloaded onto our computer. So we'll head on back to ChatGPT again and we'll copy one of the prompts again. Right, we'll just copy one of the prompt because we need another image so that you can understand this illustration. So you can head on to Wix again and we are going to paste the prompt here and we are going to click on this arrow key and we are going to wait for it to load. So we are going to paste the prompt here and we are going to click on the search and we are going to wait for it to load. So we are waiting for it to generate the second image for us. So once the image is done generating, we are going to download the image. We're going to download the image and we're going to take it to the other app that we use to generate our video. All right, so you can see that our image is done generating. So we'll just click on this one and I love how it's looking. So we are just going to download it onto our computer, right? So you're going to long press and you click on the download button and we're going to download it. So we head on back to our app right here and you can see from here it's showing us that it's Grok that we're going to be using and it's showing us the duration, which is 6 seconds, and it's also showing us the video quality, which is 480p. So we can click this and we're going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. So I'm going to change it back to 16:9 and then I will just leave it at Grok AI and I'll click here. So what you want to do is to click on this video creation. You can see when you click on this video creation, you can see that it's active. When you click on this, you can see image creation is also active. So we'll just click on this and we're going to come here, right? This place, we're going to click on it to add an image. So we'll just click on it and we'll upload an image from our gallery. So we'll select this first image and we're going to click on done and we're going to paste our prompt. So let's paste our prompt. So paste our prompt right there and we're going to click on create. So you're going to click on agree to enable this video to create successfully. So once we click on agree, we're going to wait for this video to be generated.
All right, so you can see that under less than 2 minutes our video is done creating. So we're going to play the video and see what it looks like.
I beg make I enter.
Oh yeah, quick, quick!
Thank you, sir.
So you see what our video looks like, and it's looking amazing already. So you can see the video right there. So once your video is done creating, you can just simply click on the download option here, and you can download your video. So once it's done creating, you can click on this download option here, and you can download the video onto your computer. But mind you need to watch an ad first before you can download this video. Yeah, because the software is free, we're not using any paid version for this, and this ad will not take you more than 2 minutes to watch. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till this point. Kindly like this video, kindly share it with a friend, kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and tell us what you think about this software in the comment section. Are you going to try it? Are you not going to try it? And if you need us to create a special tutorial for you, kindly indicate in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.